Okay, so turns out all of our power is off. There's a blackout going on and the water's turned off and we don't know why, but luckily I'm the crazy candle lady. So, look at all of these candles.
Box.
It's not even all of them. I still have more.
Never put that up.
And because we don't have electronics or TV or anything, we're gonna play checkers. I've already lost, so. And I can't move anymore. Thanks. Go ahead. I'm a sore loser and I lost, obviously, checkers. We're gonna go climb a waterfall instead. Okay, so there's usually a waterfall right there. But we're still gonna climb it. Guys, there's a snake, I'm scared.
I can't believe I saw it. I'm gonna fall. No, you're not.
We're gonna go that way. Oh my gosh. Yeah, no, I agree. I think I will also fall. This water is so cold. So cold. God, let's hope I don't fall.
It's honestly not that cold. Ivy, where are you going?
Okay.
I'm not really sure.
Whoa! Okay. Ivy, why did I follow you? My gosh. Please don't be a snake. Please don't be a snake. Please don't. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Ah. Okay. Yeah, I'm coming. Well, why don't you film me, please? Just climbing.
Yes.
Thank you. Here, it's already recording.
Hold on. Gotta get there.
Alright.
Look at that.
Oh, there's a little bit of waterfall action. It's usually a huge one right through here, though. It is pretty. Right, climbing. They're kind of like steps, and it's really nice. What? Tadpoles! Oh my gosh.
Look over here.
Look at all the babies!
Look over here. And over here. Hold on, I want to hold one. I'm just seeing shit.
I'm gonna hold one. I'm gonna steal it.
Look at the little tadpole! Put him back so he don't die.
Oh no.
They're so cute. They're
Brooklyn, come here.
black. They're black.
Oh my gosh, adorable.
Aww. They're gonna die.
All right, to the cave. Yeah, you didn't know there was a cave up here?
Maybe it was a different one.
Yeah, you're a part of this now. Okay, to the cave. Sorry if I haven't been looking at the camera this entire time. No, there's no echo. That's unfortunate. Hi guys, this is Elena here editing. This is Ivy, and she did not want to be filmed. I know you can't see her face, but she is very mad at me in this moment. How pretty it is up here. That's gross. Ew, someone left their socks here. Why? Here, Brooklyn, will you take my phone after you get to a safe place? Here, will you take the keys?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Keep going. Keep going, Lily, straight. Straight. Keep going. Keep going straight. Yep. Yep.
Right here.
Keep going. Keep going that way. Yep. Keep going. Back. Yep. It'll be a little bit deeper. You'll be okay, Ellie. Keep going. Hey, it'll be a little deep, but it's okay, Ellie. Keep going. Keep going. It's okay if you get wet. It's okay. We'll take your foot off.
Do not invoke the snake, alright? I saw a snake over there. Here, Ivy, I'll walk with you. Maybe. I don't know. Oh gosh. Don't fall. Do not fall. Okay. Camera's going up now. Thought that was a snake. It's not. It's not. Look at how pretty this is. This is real. It should be like the greatest to go swimming. It's so nice here. There's no rocks. It's slick though. Oh my gosh. Alright, we just gotta make it there. We're almost there. If I don't fall first. Oh, hey, this is cold. I was not planning on getting in this deep. Alright, I'm going over there. Peace out, my guys. Oh no. Alright, I'm walking under the tree. No snakes fall on me. Don't step on us. Naked snake. Okay. Look at them goofballs. It's deep there. This water is so cold. Hi. Oh, that's pretty though. Bye-bye. Back to the road. Well, we're back and the electric's back too. Yay. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and maybe even consider subscribing. But until next time, bye.